Okay, Ms. Flask, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here today because I need some more money from baby daddy, okay?
Okay.
He's been doing a lot of social media stuff, and I'm like, oh yeah, let me have some more money because my baby needs it. He's older, we're doing a lot more, and my baby's the first one.
Okay. All right. How much child support is he paying right now?
Well, my son is 13. We went to court years ago, so it's only at $100 a month.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
In today's heated courtroom, Miss Flask takes the stand with one bold demand: more money for her child. She claims her ex has been flashing wealth all over social media, while only paying a shocking $100 a month for their 13-year-old son. Her frustration is raw, her words sharp, and the tension builds instantly as she explains why she's back in court. But what happens when the judge digs deeper into this messy situation? Stay tuned, because the drama is only just beginning.
My son is 13. We went to court years ago, so it's only at $100 a month.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. And you said he's 13 now.
Yes.
How old was your son when he was placed on child support?
It was like months after the baby was born.
Oh, okay. It was real new.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as it popped out, pop, child support.
Oh, you ain't even give him a chance?
No, he was doing stuff while I was pregnant with my baby. So yeah, I already knew in my mind, social security number, sign me up.
What kind of stuff was he doing?
Just with so many women.
Judge presses Miss Flasker's son is now 13, but child support was ordered almost right after birth. Why so soon? Miss Flask fires back, saying she already knew what kind of man he was. According to her, he was unfaithful and outrunning with other women while she was pregnant. The courtroom gasps at the claim, and the judge listens carefully, her tone growing sharper. But if this father was unfaithful back then, what is he up to now? The answer will shock you.
What kind of stuff was he doing?
Just with so many women, and it's just like, it was just too overwhelming. I was pregnant, I was having complications during my pregnancy, and he just out in the streets.
Okay.
Still out in the streets.
Okay. What kind of stuff is he posting on social media that makes you think he has more money?
Oh, he's living his best life, okay?
How good is he living?
Oh, he's living good. He's going on trips after trips. He's flashing money, and he just recently flashed a little ring. I guess he gave one of his little chicks.
Miss Flask reveals more while she was struggling with a complicated pregnancy. The father was nowhere to be found. Instead, she claims he's still out in the streets, posting online about vacations, money, and even flashing a ring for another woman. The judge leans forward, eyebrows raised, as the story takes a dramatic twist. Is this father truly living a lavish life while his son receives pennies in support? The courtroom tension rises, and the fiancé in the back is about to make things even messier.
Flashed a little ring. I guess he gave one of his little chicks.
Oh.
A little ring.
He did, he did mention that he was engaged. This is your fiance that's back here?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, he been to court already with the other baby mama, huh?
Well, not to put his business out there or anything, but he's...
Oh, we coming for you.
Okay, well, you all coming for him has nothing to do with me.
I'm sorry.
Now, this is your fiance back here?
Yes.
Oh, okay, this is the lady that you all work together.
Yeah, yes.
You, her, and the other child's mom.
We work at the school.
Oh, okay, I got it now. I got it, okay.
The plot thickens. The father's fiancé is sitting right there in the courtroom. Miss Flask can't hide her anger, firing off that he's already been to court before with another baby mama. The room grows tense as the judge tries to calm things down, reminding everyone to stay focused. 3 women, 1 man, and a courtroom. Ready to erupt? But how will this new fiancé handle being dragged into the storm? The answer is about to unfold before everyone's eyes.
You all work together.
Yeah, yes.
You, her, and the other child's mom.
We work at the school.
Oh, okay, I got it now. I got it, okay. Do you all get along?
I don't like none of them. Him, her, the other one, none of them.
I don't have an issue with anybody, Your Honor.
Okay. So,
I'm happy.
okay, congratulations. That's a nice ring.
So it-
Will I have to have my bailiff escort you out or anything?
No.
Okay. So you're not going to be making any loud outbursts or doing anything like that?
No.
Okay.
I'm
And
cool.
you understand that's not going to be tolerated, right?
I'm cool. I'm
Okay. Okay. All right. So as long as
they
everybody
good.
has an understanding, we're good.
I'm okay.
Okay. All right.
Tension boils over as the judge looks between the women. Miss Flask admits she doesn't get along with any of them, not her ex, not his fiancée, not even the other child's mother. The judge issues a stern warning. No loud outbursts, no drama, or the bailiff will step in. For a moment, the room calms, but Miss Flask's emotions are far from settled. She says she just needs money for her son. But will she stay composed? Long enough to make her case heard?
So as long
long
as
as they
everybody
good.
has an understanding, we're good.
I'm okay.
Okay. All right.
I just need my money.
All right. So you need the money for your son, right?
Yes.
Okay. So is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
I just want him to stop bashing me about what I do, because in the absence of him, I have to get out there and get it. You know, I have to do what I have to do because he's not taking care of our son. I have to do it. My son wants to play. Oh, look at them. My
Excuse
son,
me. Hold on one second, Miss Flash.
This is
Excuse
too
me.
much.
I used to be for the streets.
Excuse me. Is there something you wanted to address with the court?
With her voice cracking, Miss Flask insists she has no choice but to hustle for their son, since the father won't provide. She wants the court to hear how she's struggling working extra jobs, making ends meet, doing everything alone. But as she speaks, someone interrupts from the other side of the room, stirring more chaos. The judge snaps, trying to regain control. What was supposed to be a plea for support is quickly spiraling into a full-blown battle, and it's only about to get worse.
I used to be for the streets.
Excuse me. Is there something you wanted to address with the court? I see you trying to help him. Ma'am, that's not nice. You know exactly who she is.
is she?
That is his fiance.
Not for long. He go
Listen,
through.
that's not nice. And you just heard me talk about having my bailiff remove her if she act out, right?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to get my money. I'm so sorry.
Okay, and it's not your money. It's your son's money.
Yes, son's money. Son's
Okay.
money. I need to get my son's money, Your Honor.
All right. Well, in order for me to help you do that, you can't be,
Miss Flask suddenly turns her anger toward the fiancé, calling her out in the middle of court. The judge slams down. With authority warning Miss Flask again this is not her money, it's her son's money. But emotions are running high, and Miss Flask struggles to hold back her bitterness. The judge makes it clear if she wants support, she must stay focused. Can Miss Flask control her anger long enough to get justice for her son? Or will her outbursts ruin everything?
well, in order for me to help you do that, you can't be, making
Okay.
outbursts, doing
sorry.
faces, asking who she is when you already know who she is. Let's not be ugly, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
And I need you to focus on me, and I need you to sit back there and just look pretty.
Okay, I can do
Okay?
that.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything else that you wanted me to know before I move over to him?
Did you get the fact of him, me, I have to do everything. I have to do everything. My
When you
son-
say everything, what do you mean by that?
In a shocking moment, the judge tells Miss Flask to stop with the faces, stop with the outbursts, and just sit back and look pretty. The courtroom freezes at the blunt remark. Miss Flask forces herself to calm down, but the fire in her voice is still there. She claims she's the one doing everything for their child, while the father contributes almost nothing. But when the judge asks what she means by everything, the truth about her struggle comes pouring out.
I have to do everything. My
When you
son-
say everything, what do you mean by
I
that?
have to work all these extra jobs, and at nighttime I have to go out and do jobs and stuff, and it's just, I'm tired. My son is older. He's going to be going to high school pretty soon. He wants to be fresh. He wants the latest clothing things. He's going to be in football and all the things, like football, basketball. He does all of that. And I'm paying for everything.
And you just want dad to help out.
I want my son's money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you. I understand. Okay.
Miss Flask breaks down her struggles working extra jobs, hustling at night, trying to cover sports, clothes, and every need her teenage son has. She wants her son to feel normal, to have the same opportunities as other kids. But she's carrying the entire burden herself. Her voice shakes with exhaustion and desperation as she insists all she wants is for the father to help. The judge nods, but the father's turn to speak is coming next, and his response shocks everyone.
Excuse me. This will be the last time I say it. If I have to say it again, ma'am, I'm just going to have you exit to my left. Okay?
Yes.
All right? Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
why aren't you taking care of your 13-year-old son?
First of all, I do take care of my 13-year-old son. The other day, I just took the wombat some Pampers over there for him.
You took what?
Some diapers.
He's 13.
Never
How
mind.
involved are you in this child's life?
I will be more involved in the child's life if the wombat wouldn't act like she do.
What does that mean?
When the judge finally turns to the father, his answer stuns the entire courtroom. He insists he does support his son, claiming he just brought over Pampers, but his son is 13 years old. Gasps echo across the room as the judge presses harder. How involved is this man really? His reply, that he would be more involved if the mother wasn't the way she is. It's a shocking excuse, and the judge isn't buying it. But wait until you hear what comes next.
I will be more involved in the child's life if the wombat wouldn't act like she do.
What does that mean?
I don't never see him.
You don't ever, well, obviously that's clearly you just said you putting him in diapers.
I don't never.
Are you
moved
getting him
away.
mixed up with your other kids?
I don't never see him.
He moved away.
And I did move. I moved a couple minutes, about 45 minutes away.
You went to go be with the other kids. That's what you did. I got the first baby.
Okay. And you act like $100 ain't enough. $100 was
$100?
That's $100 more than what you had.
That's his shoes.
Before you get that $100, what you had? That's extra too, it ain't?
Excuse me.
Miss Flask Erupshi says she barely even sees him, and when she does, it's never about their son. He tries to downplay his absence, insisting the $100 should be enough, and even calls it extra. The judge's patience is running thin as the father keeps dodging responsibility. Tension explodes in the room. The mother feels abandoned. The father feels attacked, and the judge is losing control. But just when it seems the drama can't get any worse, the shocking truth about his income is revealed next.